Welcome back, guys. So this is like part 2 of my last video. This table didn't come from the thrift store. I got it from a neighbor was throwing it out, and I was just like, I'll take it, and I wiped it down and everything. And I just used the same spray paint bottle. I only used one can, believe it or not, for this and dresser thing. And I used like 2 rolls of the contact paper, like all together. But yes, I'm just spray painting this part still, and getting the legs mainly is what I want it to be, rose gold on this one, and then I'm gonna put the contact paper everywhere else, which you will see here in a few. And I didn't really care about that piece sticking up on the leg right there. I just took some E6000 glue after the paint dried and everything, and I glued it down, and it stayed down, as you will see at the end of this video. But I'm just still spray painting all 4 sides, and then once it dries, I left it out here not even a full day. I spray painted it like, this was Christmas Eve, so I spray painted it like that morning, like 11 maybe, and I left it out there until like probably 5 or 6 o'clock, because I don't think I went anywhere that day. No, I didn't go anywhere. So I just left it in the house. Left it outside to dry, air dry and whatever, till later that day. Okay, so once the table legs were dry, I brought it in the house and I put the contact paper on the top of the table first. So it was wide enough, so I just folded it over on the sides, but lengthwise I just made I remembered where the numbers stopped on this paper, and I just cut along that line, because you don't really have to have a marker to mark your spots or anything like that. Just cut along the lines and tape the paper down. But be sure to be careful and take your time and use that little card that you have, gift card or whatever, to smooth out any air bubbles. And like, if you don't be careful with this, you will get like rips in your paper, because I was smoothing it out too hard, like somewhere in this video you'll see, and I got like little rips in my contact paper because I was trying to rush it. But just take your time, guys. office the next day. And upon doing the side parts of the table, like the side, I don't know what you call it, but you'll see where I still do the same thing, just measuring and cutting and taping and sticking and smoothing. Just, take your time and take your time and take your time and take your time. So that's pretty much it. This is not hard at all, and you don't need to do all that sanding and priming and all that other stuff, spending extra money for no reason. All you need is spray paint and contact paper, honey. You don't gotta buy no paint, like paint, black and white paint where you just make it marble. Just buy the contact paper from Walmart. But this is it, and she turned out so cute, her and my dresser over there. But just, leave any questions or comments in the comment section, and I'll answer them. And make sure you like this video, guys. I really appreciate you for watching. And subscribe to my channel, of course.